Welcome to my channel. Today we will see clustered column chart based on the students' result for the subject physics, chemistry and maths. Here we can see the highest marks person for each subject. Here in blue color he got the highest marks for maths. In red color he got the highest marks for physics. In green color for chemistry. And this column chart is fully dynamic cluster column chart. Untick the physics, you can see only for chemistry and maths. You can untick the maths subject and only chemistry subjects are visible, and you can see who is the highest marks person. When you tick everything, you can see whole subjects for the all person and who got highest marks for each subjects respectively. This is a fully dynamic cluster column chart. We'll quickly see how to prepare this. This is the data set. Select one of the cells from the data table and Control T. My table has headers. This is converted to table. Now pick the pivot table and table range is table 2 and the location is from existing sheet F1. Pick the student name in the rows. Remove the grand total. This is student name. Now select these three of subjects, Control H. We will rename this as without sum of the particular word. Replace all. Now we look up this data table. Okay, copy these headers. We got the lookup from this fair table. Now one more thing we have to do, copy this subject and paste it here. Maximum. Who got the maximum? Now we can see for each subject's maximum filter out from this table. We are going to use if function to get the maximum result out of this subject. Physics results for per student is equal to maximum from all students results for the particular subject. Fix that range, close parenthesis, comma. If it is, print that result or else print empty. Same as to another subjects as well. Now we are going to take this champion icon for each highest marks person for each subjects. We will take that symbol from insect menu. In the symbol we will take champion. Okay, we will copy this. Here also we are going to use the same if function as we used here. In the if true value we are going to fill the champion symbol. We will write them down. We have to change the font of this icon. The font name is Webdings. Now we got the champion icon for each highest marks person. Now we will select this marks range. In the insert menu, we will take cluster column chart. We'll remove the grid lines. Cut this and we'll paste it to the next sheet. Okay, we'll remove the grid lines and headings. Make this background light blue color. From format, shape outline, no outline, shape fill, no fill. We'll right click this chart, select data, add data. From the sheet data, we will add maximum physics result. Same as we will add new data as chemistry maximum result and maths maximum results. All data updated. Here Arjun, he got highest marks for one subject. Ladan, he got highest for one, and Niro got highest for one. Okay, now we will select this highest marks column, double click it, and we will set it to secondary axis in the series option. In the another subject, physics, we'll set it to secondary option. Another subject, also we will set it to secondary option. Okay, now all maximum results are set it up to secondary options. Now we will remove this legends, maximum legends, physics maximum, chemistry maximum, and maths maximum. Legends as physics, chemistry, and maths will be there. Okay, now we will add data labels. Select the first column, first subject column, physics, and add data labels. The second subject, select the second subject column and add data label. Select the third subject column and add the data labels. Now all subject results are updated. Now double click the data, send it to inside end. Alright, now select the maximum result column for the one of the subject. This column only selected. Now add data label. Now select the data label values from cell. Select the range. The range is match champion icon. Okay, icon is there. We have to change the font name, webdings. Same as we will add to another columns as well. Okay, we got all champion icons for each highest marks. Now we will check the axis, y-axis. We have to set it to 0 to 100. Okay, now we will remove this y-axis. Now we will fix good looking colors for each column. Let's put gradient color. Okay, white and red color. Second position in 75%. For the second column, gradient color, white and your green color. Green. Okay, for the third one, gradient color, pure blue color. Okay, but the secondary axis as these guys marks will not update it, so we have to update this same color, blue. The another guys, this will be green. This guys red color. Okay, done. Everything's updated now. We will select these icons 28 font size. So our title will update student result notice. One more thing we will do in the data table, from developer we will take checkbox. Just right click this and in the format control we will select the cell link as here. It will appear as true. Okay, do the same to another two checkbox. We will rename this as physics, this is chemistry, this is maths. Now we will make some changes in these formulas here. Click it. We'll use if function. If this cell, just we'll fix this cell, is equal to true, comma, this VLOOKUP function will work out, or else empty. Okay, we will apply this to column. We'll do the same to others. Okay, same as we will apply the same if functions here as well. If this cell is equal to respective to physics subject, just we'll fix that, is equal to row, just we'll get this if function or else empty. Okay, we'll do the same to chemistry maxent. Okay, we'll write this to all cells. We'll do the same if function to champions as well to get this ambient icon in the formula bar. Okay, now all cells are updated with this if function according to these checkboxes. Now we will select these checkboxes by right clicking, just cut them and paste it into the chart here. Okay, in the format we will align them top and distribute horizontally. Now we have to update the format control, the physics, the cell is this one, for the chemistry, this one, and for the maths, this one. Where is the chart? Where is the clustered column chart? Yeah, when you tick this subject, you will see the particular subject and the highest marks champion icon. When you tick the chemistry, you will see the chemistry and maths. We will change this color. This is blue color. This is green. This is red. For each subject, we can see the champion icon for the highest marks. And this is fully dynamic.